welcome back to the channel. We're here for another fabulous craft Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed the last one because I know I did. I'm sorry, that little guy was super cute. So continuing with our spooky theme, we are going to be making, look at this, look at the centerpiece. I love it so much. I love how it turned out. I didn't think it was going to end up looking as good as it did, honestly, but it did. I love all the sparkle in it. I love the little candy corns and little pumpkins and stuff, you know, kind of dotted throughout. I love everything about it. Plus, I love this vase. I knew when I bought this, I had to do something with it. But before we head into the craft video, if you are new to the channel and this is your first ever video to the uniqueness, we'll put it like that, of the spooky season, then consider hitting that subscribe button for me so you can be here for all of our random awesome content. And if you're my current subscribers, look at this. Look at how cute that is. I love it so much. It's so cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I know I'm gonna put it somewhere. I might take it to work, honestly. I don't know, because I have a different centerpiece for my coffee table and for my dining room table. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but can we just talk about that? So if you've seen, I did one Halloween haul I think already, and this vase was in it. I got it from Michael's. It was $20 and then they had everything 40% off, so I got this a little bit cheaper in that haul. But I knew I had to do something with that. Plus, if anybody else watches the Haunted Bat, it is currently the Year of the Bat, so yes, we're showing our support all over the place. But this is what it ended up being. It is super cute. I love the way that turned out. And I've got all these flowers. These came from Michael's, the ones with little candy corns. Those came from Michael's. And then everything else came from Walmart, and they were 99¢. So, you know, just kind of pick and choose where you get your flowers from. And I didn't have time to do the voiceover for this one, so I'm just going to put like little notes up in the side of the screen. I'm sorry. I'm currently... I've been recovering from a sinus cold, so if you heard my Monday video, you can tell I had a sinus cold, and it progressively got worse as the week went on. Plus, I've been working on my master's capstone paper, so I haven't had time. I just haven't had the time. But yes, I did have the time to take a break and make this lovely thing, because, you know, you have to keep up with your hobbies when you're doing other stuff. But I will go ahead and cut into, and I keep hitting it with my ring. I'm sorry, but I will go ahead and cut into the video about how we put this together, and I'll meet y'all back at the end. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that, and it was fairly simple. You just put your foam down on the inside of it, as you've seen, and then I would like to work from the middle out. That way I can kind of build. I know some people like to work from the outside in, but for me, I found it easier if you start with with these pieces, like with the purple pieces, if you start with them in the middle, and then you just kind of spiral it out, as you've seen how I dotted my colors and stuff, because I like the way that looked. And I was originally gonna add some purple in there, like some more purple in there, but I live in South Carolina. If anybody is not familiar with that, then, and it is currently football season, where for me it's spooky season. Everybody else is football season. So orange and purple is Clemson Tigers. I'm not a Clemson Tiger fan. I am a Gamecock fan. So there was no gonna be purple and orange in that right now. Even though I know it would be for the spooky season, not everybody else would have agreed with that. So we went ahead and we just did that. So but, and yes, I'm still recovering from sinus cold. I'm ready for it to go away. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm kind of wanting to get another one of these, so I'll have two. And if I do take them to work, because I have a really big desk, so I can kind of put them on like two opposite ends of the desk, maybe, or I might put them on the filing cabinet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I kind of want to get another one before they sell it, because they are I hate that they're starting to take everything away from us. It's not even October yet, and they're taking it away from us. But that's for another. That's a whole nother rant. But anyways, and I love the way that like it's got glitter on some of the flowers and stuff. I don't know how well you can see that, but I just love how glittery. There we go. Words. But I love how that looks and how it shines when you move it around, depending on like your light and stuff. If I set this next to a candle, well, not next to a candle, but kind of close to a candle, so the light can be reflected in that would look really pretty. But yeah, so it's pretty much whatever you want to do. I hope this was helpful about how you can make your own centerpiece. I knew when I bought this, I knew I wanted to do something with it, but I didn't just want to, like some people that get like the big long flowers and stuff and they'll just stick it in there and call it good. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to go a bit more full with that, although I do wish I would have made it a bit taller. I don't know, maybe for my Christmas one, I'll show you how to do like the cones, and you can make them like taller kind of deal, instead of just like kind of down and squunched in. But I don't know, I kind of like the way that looks. It's impressive without being overzealous, put it that way. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this crap video, and I hope y'all found it helpful. I know it was pretty simple, but I tried to keep it a little bit simple for everybody, because this is fairly easy and not many people know how to do it, where they'll spend more money than they should on centerpieces like this, when I'm like, you could just buy the flowers for like $1 a piece, maybe yourself. But not everybody knows how to do that. Hopefully this helps some people and gives you some ideas of what you can do. But anyways, I have to go to work because I'm recording this when I shouldn't be. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. I will see you on the next video. I have a few fun ideas, hopefully, and I just realized that I have been on this channel, this YouTube journey, let's call it that, for a year. So I've got to figure out something to do for that. So yes, lots of exciting things coming up. But anyways, I will see y'all later, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.